Very good morning, hello students. I am Jagdish from Kakatiya High School, your math teacher. Our running topic is real numbers. So from the chapter, today I am going to explain some important questions. Listen well. Find the value of root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root. Solution. Here what is the denominator? 2 root 2. It is root 2 is an irrational number. If denominator has irrational number, find the rationalizing factor of the irrational number. RF means rationalizing factor of root 2 is root 2. After finding the rationalizing factor, multiply with that to numerator and also denominator. Therefore, root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2 is equal to root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Now I am multiplying numerator and denominators. What are the numerators here? Root 10 minus root 15 into root 2 by 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 10 into root 2, root 10 into root 2 minus root 15 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2 whole square. 2 into root 2 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. Now one formula. Root a into root b. We can write as under root of a into b. So here 10 into 20 under root of 20 minus 15 to 30 by 4. Once again 20 we can write 2 square into 10. See 20. 2 tens are 2 pies are. So 20 we can write 2 square into pi minus root 30 by 4. So what is the final answer? 2 root 5 minus root 30 by 4. So the value of root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2 is 2 root 5 minus root 30 by 4. So 9th class students, here another question. Simplify the following by rationalize the denominators. Here what is the first question? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. And second question, 3 root 2 by minus root 7 by 3 root 5 plus root 2. Here I am taking first question. What is the first question? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Here what is the denominator? 6 plus 4 root 2. RF. Rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. Rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. Then after I am multiplying 6 plus 4 root 2 and also 6 minus 4 root 2. Here I am multiplying 6 plus 4 root 2 and 6 minus 4 root 2. Now it is looking like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula here? A square minus b square. A is nothing but 6 and b is nothing but 4 root 2. A square means 6 square minus b square means 4 root 2 whole square. 6 square we can write 36 minus 4 square into root 2 whole square is equal to 36 minus 4 square means 16. Square root cancel into 2. Is equal to 36 minus 32 is equal to 4. Then 6 plus 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. So with 6 minus 4 root 2 I am going to multiply the numerator and also multiply the denominator. Here rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. So with that 6 minus 4 root 2 I am going to multiply the numerator and also denominator into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. Then after multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Here what are the numerators? 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. By denominators 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. Clearly observe here numerator. It is in the form of a into a. A into a we can write a square. Here 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by already we have the value of the denominator. The value of 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 is 4 by 4. Is 6 minus 4 root 2 by 4 whole square. In the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means we can write 6 square minus 2ab means 2 into 6 into 4 root 2 plus b square means 4 root 2 whole square by 4. Here 6 square means 36, to 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 root 2 plus 4 square into root 2 whole square by 4. 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 16 into 2 by 4 is equal to 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 32 by 4. See here 36 plus 32 both are like numbers. The sum of 36 and 32 is 68 is equal to 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4. Here 68 is going 4 table and also 48 is also going in 4 table. So from the numerator I am taking 4 table as common. So it is 4 17 is 68 minus 4 12 is 48 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is the answer here? 17 minus 12 root 2. Here question is 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. RF rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus root 2 is 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now I am going to multiply these two. 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 is equal to, here in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square means 3 root 3 whole square minus b square means root 2 whole square. Square root 2 cancel. Here 3 square into root 3 whole square minus 2. 9 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. So the product of 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 is 25. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 is equal to 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. What are the numerators here? 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. Here first of all 3 root 5 bracket 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by, already we know the value of this one. What is that? 25. Now 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus 3 root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus into minus plus root 7 into root 2 by 25. We know one identity. What is that? Root a into root b is equal to under root of a into b. By using this, 5 3 is 15. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. 5 3 is 15. 9 under root of 15 minus 3. 5 2 is 10. 3 under root of 10 minus 7 3 is 21 minus 3 under root of 21 plus 7 2 is 14 under root of 14 by 25. So there is no chance to move. What is the final answer? 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 15. Here a and b are rational numbers. Then find the value of a and b from the following. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. First you have to simplify root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Solution. I am taking the root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. What is the denominator here? Root 3 minus root 2. RF. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Then root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Now multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. By multiplying numerators, what do you get here? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square by under root of root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. Why? Because it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Here a square means root 3 whole square plus b square means 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus b square means root 2 whole square by 3 minus 2 is equal square root cancel 3 plus 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 by 1. So finally it is 5 plus 2 root 6 by 1. But the value of root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. So we can write 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. So by comparing this, what we can write? A is equal to 5 and 2 root 6 is equal to b root 6. Root 6 is cancelled. What is the b is equal to 2? So a value is 5 and b value is 2. Rational part is equal rational part, irrational part is equal irrational part. So here what is came? 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6 came. So by the comparison, a is equal to 5 and 2 root 6 is equal to b root 6. So root 6 gets cancelled. What is the value of b? B is equal to 2. So 9th class students, here is the homework. Rationalize the denominators of the following: root 3 plus root 5 by 2 root 5, root 3 minus root 7 by root 3 plus root 7, 3 root 2 plus root 7 by 2 root 2 minus root 5.